7 signs she's losing respect for you. Most men think women leave because they stop loving them. Respect usually disappears long before love does. Stay until the end because sign number 7 destroys more relationships than most men realize. Respect usually disappears long before love does. First, she stops valuing your opinions. The woman who once asked for your thoughts now makes important decisions without ever considering your perspective. This doesn't mean she has to agree with everything you say. Respect isn't blind agreement. It's valuing someone's voice even when opinions differ. Second, she constantly mocks or belittles you, especially in front of other people. Small jokes may seem harmless, but repeated disrespect is never funny. Pay attention to how someone speaks about you when they're angry. Respect is tested most when emotions are high, not when everything is going well. Third, she stops appreciating your efforts. What she once thanked you for now goes completely unnoticed, as if your sacrifices have become expectations. Respect and appreciation are deeply connected. Nobody wants to feel invisible in a relationship, men included. Here's an important lesson. Never beg for respect. Respect isn't something you negotiate for, it's something that naturally exists in healthy relationships. If you're noticing these signs, don't immediately assume the relationship is over. Sometimes respect can be rebuilt through honest conversations and personal growth. So let me ask you this. Would you recognize disrespect if it slowly entered your relationship? We'll uncover the signs most men completely miss. Fourth, she stops communicating with you. She'll talk to her friends about everything happening in her life, while you become the last person to know. When respect begins to disappear, emotional distance usually follows. Silence in a relationship is often louder than arguments. Fifth, she constantly compares you to other men. Whether it's her friend's husband, an ex-boyfriend, or someone on social media, comparison quietly destroys respect. Healthy relationships inspire growth. They don't weaponize comparison. Your partner should challenge you respectfully, not compete with your self-worth. Sixth, she no longer supports your goals and ambitions. The woman who once encouraged your dreams now dismisses them as unrealistic or unimportant. Respect doesn't mean agreeing with every dream. It means believing that the person you love deserves encouragement while they pursue growth. Here's a practical lesson. Ask yourself one simple question. Do you feel more respected after spending time with your partner or less respected? Now, the right relationship should make you feel valued, appreciated, and emotionally safe, not constantly questioned or diminished. Many men wait until a breakup before noticing the warning signs. Respect rarely disappears overnight. It usually leaves one small behavior at a time, and they don't see them. Right now, we're covering the final and most dangerous sign she's losing respect for you, and what you can do to rebuild it before it's too late. The 7th and most dangerous sign, she becomes emotionally indifferent. She's no longer angry, disappointed, or frustrated. She simply stops caring about you. When a woman still argues with you, she usually still cares. Emotional indifference is often more dangerous than conflict because it signals emotional withdrawal. She no longer celebrates your wins. She isn't curious about your day. Your presence or absence makes little difference to her emotionally. Here's something most men need to hear. Never confuse control with respect. You don't earn respect by becoming louder, harsher, strict, or more dominant. Real respect is built through confidence, emotional maturity, consistency, leadership, and self-respect. Healthy relationships grow where mutual respect exists. If you've noticed these signs, don't panic. Use them as an opportunity for honest conversations and personal reflection instead of blame. Ask yourself this: have I been respecting myself lately? Sometimes the respect we receive from others begins with the standards we set for ourselves. The strongest relationships aren't built on fear or control. They're built on two people choosing to value, support, and respect one another every single day of their life. So here's my final question. Which of these 7 signs surprised you the most? Leave your answer in the comments. And remember, love may start a relationship, but respect is what keeps it alive.